So check out these mirrors that I was sent. I was sent these for free so I can do this review, but these are magnetic mirrors that go on like your tractor or skid steer, whatever it is you want to do, and they stick together and give you mirrors. So let's check them out on the tractor. So of course, you know, the most common place I would think of for putting these mirrors would be somewhere on your loader, if you have a loader on your tractor. And that way you have, you know, a mirror here that is stationary, because this part of your loader doesn't move, right? I mean, this is going to move, so you probably don't want to put it here. I don't know, you may want to. But this area here is part of your frame, and it's going to be stationary as you work. Another place that you can put them, I don't know if you can see it from out here because that windshield's kind of dirty, but you could put one up in there like a rear view mirror. So I have one up there mounted inside the cab. Of course, that's if you have a cab. But they work out really well, and they let you see behind you. So you basically just pick where you want to put them, make sure you can adjust them. They are adjustable, so just so I don't sit there in the mirror the whole time. You know, you can fold them in, you can twist these this way. They do have, you know, this little ball joint here that lets you move them in a lot of different directions. And of course, you know, this one is hanging down here with this up top. But if you wanted to change it where this was going up higher, you would just use the other mirror. Like this mirror, you know, is going this way. Let me show you on the other one. So this is basically what I was meaning on that. They are directional, so it's a match pair. You know, you can put whichever one on whichever side. It's just, are they going to be up or are they going to be hanging down? That's based upon your decision on how you want to do it. Now, the other thing I want to point out here is look at how huge these magnets are. Now, I've got another set of mirrors that are kind of like this that I've used either on my tractor or on my skid steer. And, you know, it's a lot like this, but nowhere near the size of magnet does it have. And this size magnet, I mean, it just takes so much more force to get that thing off compared to the other one that has smaller magnets on it. And this is what I mean by the size of the magnet. So see how big those magnets are? And they have, you know, you can tell there's all of these magnets inside of there. Looks like there might be one even in the middle. But that's a big circle. Compare it to these. And the crazy thing is these hold on really well too. But these hold on way better. So if you have something that's really bumping around, like this is probably going to go on my skid steer. These have been great on my tractor, so you could use these on tractor or whatever, but if you are really rough and tough with that piece of equipment, you probably need these bigger magnets. So this is definitely where I decided I want to keep this one. I kind of pitched it down a little bit because this mirror here looks really well on this side of the tractor. So if I'm pulling a piece of equipment, a hay rake or something like that, I'll be able to see basically everything that's happening on this side. And I was able, you know, to tilt it and everything where I get a good view. I got to tell you on this though, these magnets hold really, really well. So if you put this on there and then try to adjust it, it's not easy. I mean, it was really hard to move that. I'd probably have to use both hands again to move this magnet on there. So the fact of it moving around once it's stuck should not be an issue. But once you stick it on there, of course, you can still, you know, maneuver these. And like I said, I maneuvered it basically exactly where I want it, and this is how it's going to stay. So really cool mirrors with really nice upgraded magnetic pads. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Take care.